The lever to the right of the steering column controls your windshield wipers and washer. Turn the end of the lever to the first 4 positions for intermittent settings. Use these settings when weather conditions require single wiping cycles with a variable pause between each. Turn the lever to the first position past intermittent settings for low-speed wipers or to the second position for high-speed wipers. Move and hold the lever all the way up for temporary high-speed operation. If equipped, the rain-sensing wiper feature senses moisture on the windshield and automatically activates the wipers for you. You can activate the system through your touchscreen. You can adjust rain sensing sensitivity with the wiper delay control. Wiper delay position 1 is the least sensitive, and position 4 is the most sensitive. To use the washer, pull and hold the lever toward you for as long as washer spray is desired. The washer jet will run until you release the lever or the fluid runs out. The wipers will operate as long as you hold the lever in this position. To activate the rear window wiper, turn the control to the first position for intermittent operation. Turn it to the second position for continuous operation. To use the rear washer, push and hold the lever away from you. The rear washer will operate for up to 30 seconds, and the wipers will continue as long as you hold the lever in this position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.